Are you a busy person with a lot on your plate? Of course you are. We all are. Especially in 2025. In 2025, we have to be quick just to keep up. We want information delivered fast. We want tools that help us achieve results before we even finish thinking about the end goal. We want our day-to-day routine to be stress-free. The good news, Abacus AI gets that. And in this video, I'll review a powerful tool from the ChatLLM Teams Suite called AI Engineer. I've already reviewed several Abacus AI tools and you can check out my previous videos. But today, I'm focusing specifically on AI Engineer. And I'll show you how to create an AI agent. Before I begin, you can follow along using the link in the description. If you are ready, I'm ready. Let's dive deep. Take a look at the sidebar in the left-hand side. I'm going to click on AI Engineer and I'll show you how to create an AI agent. Let's click on Create an AI agent. Now the most interesting part, what kind of agent do I want? I'm going to click on Select Template and I'll pick one of the templates. How about a portfolio tracker agent? To track my assets. Let's click on that. Let's make it autonomous. The difference between the autonomous and non-autonomous option is simple. Convenience. With the autonomous option, I'll receive daily emails straight to my inbox. Let's pick stocks. I'm going to click on Add, stock number 1, stock number 2, stock number 3, stock number 4, stock number 5, and finally, stock number 6. I'm going to click on Submit, and it's working. Don't get overwhelmed by all this script writing. The entire process is automated, so you don't have to worry about coding or the final result. AI Engineer is doing the heavy lifting for you. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the process. You're one step closer to making your life easier. Please wait, AI Engineer at work. This might take a few minutes. Let's wait and see. Alright, perfect. The AI agent has been created successfully. The agent has the following components: a trigger, a node, a node. The agent is set up as an autonomous agent that will automatically trigger daily, fetch and summarize latest news / analysis. This is what it looks like. I have my trigger, I have the code, and this is my email notification. So the agent has been deployed and is accessible at this link. This is what my agent looks like. Let's test it. I'm going to click on Start. Boom, processing. The agent is running. I just received an email from my agent. This is an email from Abacus AI with updates on my selected stocks. And since this is now automated, I'll be getting these updates every day. If I click on Workflow, I'll be able to see the structure of my agent. And surely enough, I can make changes. This is my trigger. This script helps me gather and summarize stock information. And this script helps me send out emails. I'm going to show you how to quickly edit your agent. Let me click on this edit source code. Don't be scared. If you're not a coder, don't be scared. I promise. You don't need to know coding to be able to make changes. If this looks complicated, it's not. You don't need to be a coder. Remember, Abacus AI is a full suite of tools, and one of those tools is called CodeLLM, which is included in the Abacus AI subscription. I've already reviewed CodeLLM in one of my previous videos, but here's a quick demo. I'm going to copy my script, select all, copy. Then in a separate window, I'm going to open the homepage, ChatLLM Teams. We started with this page. And here I'm going to click on CodeLLM. Just take a look at the left-hand sidebar. Boom. Download this software on your computer. Use the same credentials as you used to create your Abacus AI account. Log in and you'll see this. Once again, I explained all of these steps in one of my previous videos. Just find my review of CodeLLM. Just create a new folder and new file. Then paste your script in this section. Boom. Make sure you give specific directions on how you want your script to be modified. This is my prompt. Here I'm asking the LLM to modify my code to change stock tickers to SPX, NASDAQ, and Dow Jones. Find and update tickers. Then I'm going to click on Send Message and wait for the model to update my script. 03 Mini High is really good when it comes to coding, but what's cool about CodeLLM and ChatLLM Teams is that you can choose any model here. Pick whatever you want. Anyway, my script is ready. All I'm gonna do is click on Copy to copy the script. I'm going back to the previous window where I'm making changes to my agent. I'm going to delete the old script. I'm going to paste the new script and done. Let's update the agent, update, and agent published successfully. Let's click on View Agent. Loading. I'm going to click on start and agent started successfully. I have received another email from Abacus AI and I can now see that my tickers have been updated and I'm all set. So what is stopping you from designing your own AI agents? Nothing. Unless you don't have an Abacus AI ChatLLM Teams subscription. And jokes aside, it's super cheap, only $10 per month, which is half the price of ChatGPT Plus, but comes with way more tools, utilities, and cool features than ChatGPT. From my perspective, tools like AI Engineer are game changers for people managing multiple tasks and needing real-time updates. Think of it as your personal assistant, except it only costs $10 per month. I'll be back soon with more reviews on Abacus AI and ChatLLM Teams, focusing on its exclusive tools. But for now, I'm done. I'll talk to you soon. Ivan, KV, out.